Real-time language translation with Galaxy AI phone calls.
Galaxy devices come with a number of AI-powered features, including Live Translate. This particular feature translates phone calls in real time directly on your device. You will essentially have your own personal translator, which will make multilingual communication easier. Notes: some of the supported languages below are only available by downloading a language pack. The Live Translate feature is available on the Tab S9 and later models with One UI 6.1.1 or later, excluding Wi-Fi-only models. Apps supporting Live Translate: Google Meet, Signal, WeChat, Kakao Talk, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, Line, WhatsApp, Telegram. Supported apps are subject to change. Supported languages regions: Arabic, Bahasa Indonesia, Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional Hong Kong, Taiwan, Dutch, English Australia, India, United Kingdom, United States, French Canada, France, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese Brazil, Portugal, Romanian, Russian Federation, Spanish Mexico, Spain, United States, Swedish, Thai, Turkish, Vietnamese. More languages will be added in future updates. How to turn on Live Translate. Before you can use Live Translate, you must first enable the feature in your device's settings. The following instructions will assist you in completing the process. Note: ensure that you are connected to a network and logged into your Samsung account before proceeding. Step 1. Open Settings. Tap Galaxy AI. Step 2. Tap Phone. Step 3. Toggle the switch to on. If a pop-up window appears when you tap the switch, follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Set your language in the Me section and the other person's language in the Other Person section. If you need to download the language, tap the download icon next to the language required. Once the download is complete, scroll up to the top of the page and tap the language you need. You can also access the live interpretation settings screen from the Samsung phone app. More options icon 3 vertical dots settings, Live Translate. How to use Live Translate during phone calls. Once you have set up Live Translate in your device's settings, it's time to try out this new feature on a phone call. Step 1. Make or receive a call using the native phone app. Tap on Call Assist. Step 2. Tap on Live Translate. Step 3. Bixby Voice will automatically use the language configuration selected in your device's settings to start the conversation. Note: translation results and quality may vary each time. How to use Live Translate in other apps. How to check the app supporting Live Translate. The Live Translate feature is available in apps not only in the Samsung phone app but also in other apps. Using the guide below, you can check which of your third-party apps support this feature. Step 1. Open Settings. Tap Galaxy AI. Step 2. Tap Call Assist. Step 3. Tap Live Translate in other apps. Step 4. Check apps that support Live Translate and tap the switches to enable the feature. How to use Live Translate in other apps. The Signal app has been used for this example. Step 1. Call the other party in the Calls tab of the third-party app. Step 2. Open the Quick Settings panel. Tap Live Translate. Step 3. Live Translate will start once the person on the other end speaks. Note: the UI and usage may vary depending on the app. Other features include Mute Voice, allows you to block the other parties or your voice on a call so that only the translation is heard. Language and voice presets for each person, allows you to set languages and voices to use for calls with specific phone numbers or contacts.
Thank you for your watching this video, and hope this can helping you. Please stay tuned for next episode.